Can't start your game because of the Lrepacks module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and let's solve this library conflict so you can get back to what matters. For professional-grade Lrepacks module maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Lrepacks module, a specialized library associated with the Lrepacks scene group. It manages the decompression and localized resource mapping for archived software installations. Because it performs heavy disk input-output and modifies registries, it is frequently quarantined by Windows security. If deleted, the game will refuse to launch, reporting that the application configuration is incorrect. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. Lrepacks is a restricted library bundled with the localized setup orchestration manifest engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Lrepacks module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Replacing Lrepacks module without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on Lrepacks module. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Lrepacks module today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.